Are you planning to study in Canada and worried about the common mistakes? It's normal to have these concerns, as this is a crucial step in your future. The significance of making the right decisions and avoiding blunders cannot be overstated. In this condensed video, we'll guide you through common missteps to ease your journey, hence the gravity this topic is high. Let's dive in. In this video, we will discuss the 7 most common mistakes Indian students make while planning their education in Canada. The first common mistake is the belief that studying abroad means my life is set. This perception suggests studying abroad is a guaranteed success path. However, it's not a magic solution to all career issues. Studying abroad invites new, but it doesn't assure success. Beyond obtaining a foreign degree, it's about the skills you learn and relationships you develop. Adapting to a new environment and facing its challenges are crucial. Studying abroad is a great opportunity, but it doesn't guarantee success without effort. The second mistake is assuming that immigration is automatic after studying abroad. It's important to understand that while studying overseas, like in Canada, can open up immigration possibilities, it's not a surefire path. Immigration involves numerous complexities, including meeting country-specific requirements such as language proficiency and certain skills need. It's not as simple as booking a one-way ticket. A careful understanding of immigration policies is essential, along with a backup plan, so don't believe that studying abroad is a guaranteed ticket to immigration. Remember, studying abroad doesn't automatically grant you immigration status. The third mistake is thinking you can fully finance your education by working. As an international student in Canada, you can work part-time, but restrictions apply. During terms, you can only work up to 20 hours per week. Balancing work and academics is challenging, and the income from a part-time job might not cover your tuition fees. Fully financing your education through part-time work is impractical, like hoping to fill a bathtub with a teaspoon. You need a solid financial plan before you start your studies abroad, including scholarships, loans, and family support. It's crucial to have a sound financial plan before you begin your studies abroad. The fourth mistake is the "I'll figure out my options once I reach there" mindset. Canada has its own rules, regulations, and norms. You need to know academic requirements, cost of living, local customs, and weather. Research and planning help you avoid culture shock and unfamiliarity. Make informed choices about university, course, job market, and immigration rules. Don't leave your future to chance. Preparation and planning are key to a successful study abroad experience. The fifth mistake is relying solely on an agent for admission and student visa. Using an agent can be beneficial. They offer guidance and help with paperwork. But it's your future, not theirs. You must be involved in every step. Understand the admission process, visa requirements, and implications of signed documents. Cross-check agent-provided information and seek advice from official sources. It's not just about securing admission and a visa, but building a foundation for your future. So don't just delegate, participate. While guidance is helpful, it's important to be actively involved in the process. The sixth mistake is assuming a break in study means no admission or visa. This fallacy often induces undue stress. Remember, a study hiatus doesn't automatically exclude you from studying in Canada or obtaining a visa. It is crucial how you have utilized this break. Have you gained relevant experience or enhanced your skills during this period? Did you show commitment to your field? Such factors catch the eye of admission and visa authorities. A gap year or sabbatical viewed positively when used constructively. A break in education isn't a barrier to studying in Canada, provided it's well accounted for. The seventh mistake is believing that studying abroad is the only way to success. While an international education can offer new perspectives, it's not the only way to a thriving career. Numerous high-ranking universities and colleges in India offer world-class education. Exploring this option might be more beneficial for some. Success doesn't depend on where you study, rather it's how you utilize your education in real-life scenarios. Studying abroad is simply one choice among many, does not guarantee success, nor is it a prerequisite for it. Remember, it's not where you study that defines your success, but how you apply what you've learned. Studying abroad is a choice, not a necessity for success. So those were the 7 common mistakes Indian students make while planning to study in Canada. Misconceptions can cause trouble, like assuming a smooth life abroad, expecting immediate immigration, relying heavily on work for expenses, or seeking agents for essential steps. Remember, taking breaks doesn't harm your admission, and studying overseas isn't the only route. These errors can hinder your educational journey. Avoid them and you're on the road to a successful Canadian education. For further help, consider contacting Mr. Prashant Ajmera of Ajmera Law Group. Safe travels. Before we wrap up, let's take a visual tour of some iconic Canadian landmarks. First off, we have the towering CN Tower in Toronto, a symbol of Canadian ambition and engineering prowess. Next, we transition to the serene and breathtaking Banff National Park in Alberta, a testament to Canada's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. Then we travel east to the historic Chateau Frontenac in Quebec City, a reminder of Canada's rich history and heritage. Finally, we end with the stunning Niagara Falls, a spectacle that leaves visitors in awe and admiration. These breathtaking sights are just a glimpse of what Canada has to offer. Imagine experiencing them firsthand as a student in this beautiful country.